Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be tying a twilly around my handbag. This is a piece of silk and it is about 38 inches in length by 2 inches in width. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Angela and this is my first video actually. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Leave a comment and be sure to ring the bell, and then you'll be notified of future videos that I upload. Okay, let's get into it. First off, I have the length of silk right here. It is around the handle. You will fold it in half. Okay, just let one side fall like that, and then you will pull it taut as you wrap it and smooth it. This is very easy and it protects the handles of your handbags, which is nice because natural oils and, soil, you want to preserve as much as you can. This is probably the only handbag I will get for another 10 years or so, but I don't care. That's all you need. But it is a bag that I will not be using on the daily. It is actually more of a collector's piece for me because I love luxury bags, but I don't have a huge collection. You just see a few that I do have behind me right now. Maybe I'm a handbag minimalist, but I try to have bags that are useful, except this one, of course. This is more for aesthetic purposes. But I like a good crossbody bag. I also use backpacks because it's all about hands-free whenever I'm out shopping. I don't really like to lug a large tote bag around, and I'm only 5'4", so it kind of overwhelms you if you aren't that tall. Already done. That was quick. I only practiced once. Very, very pretty. It is gorgeous. It adds to the look of your handbag as well as protecting it. And I love the overall effect. And I always want to protect handles like this because I'm not going to use the crossbody strap, so this will be the only way to carry it. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you join the family, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks so much.